Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you guys what I have here. I have these. These are some light gray little shorts that are be good for exercising and whatnot. I'm trying to see what size I got. I got a size large. Usually I wear a size medium. I'm not sure why I got a large. But I'll show you guys what these look like here. So up front, you can see on the front of it is there. It's got a little button front and a zip or fly. And then on the side, it's got a little mini pocket here so you could stick something small in there, so if I'm going out for a hike or something, I can just have a little snack there. Got some good deep pockets there. It's kind of like cargo pants with the zippers here, and then on the back it has a one single zipper pocket. But let's put it on here and I'll show you guys. I'm just going to put it over my shorts. How about that? Since I got large, usually I don't wear such big shorts. But okay, so this is what it looks like here. I'm going to aim you guys right down over here so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is them here. I have my shirt tucked into it, but it's got a nice look to it. It's nice looking shorts. And then I can unzip it here, I can put my wallet or whatever in there. This is great. It's like made of moisture wicking material. So this would be great to take like to a concert or something like that. So then I can hook up all my things to it. I could have a little carabiner hooked up here. Could even put a belt on it if I wanted to. But it's nice. I got nice pockets there and a pocket here, a nice deep one. You can really fit a lot of stuff. So this would be great if you wanted to sneak things in somewhere and have a lot of different things. So two super nice, comfortable shorts, man. These are nice. Super roomy. This is a size large, and I'm about 185 pounds, so probably I would say a medium would be more appropriate, but this does seem to fit. So I like these shorts. These are good. Might have to send them back down and get the smaller size, but totally cool. I like them. Thumbs up. Totally cool.